Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 15 that won't enter recovery mode. When you encounter issues with your iPhone 15, recovery mode is always a good helper. Whether you try using it to fix the malfunctioning operating system or open the locked screen, there's never a good time for your iPhone 15 to refuse to go into recovery mode. Maybe the phone restarts like it'll get into recovery mode, but finally it just turns off, shows Apple logo, then powers back on. Or, it just comes up with a slide to power off screen instead of the recovery mode screen. Either way, we can help put your iPhone 15 into recovery mode so that you can complete the instructions and fix the problems. Now, keep watching and try the steps in the presented order. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Go through the correct procedure to enter recovery mode. The steps to go into recovery mode varies slightly from device to device. Here, let's walk through the official outlined instructions to put an iPhone 15 into recovery mode. These steps are also applicable to the iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here's what to do. Use the cable that came with your iPhone 15 to connect it to a computer. Open the latest version of iTunes, Apple Devices app, or Finder on your computer. With the device connected, follow these combinations of button presses. Volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. Keep holding the key when you see the Apple logo. Wait until the recovery mode screen appears showing a laptop and a cord with a message saying something about support. Release the power key and let the device stay connected and take a look at the computer. The iPhone 15 should appear in iTunes, Apple Devices app or Finder. At the same time, there should be a message popping up and giving your options to update or restore the software. It indicates that your iPhone 15 has already been in recovery mode and you can just proceed with the on-screen instructions. Step 2. Do a forced restart. So, you know you're doing right because of your previous successful attempts to boot into recovery mode. However, your iPhone 15 still just keeps booting into iOS and refuses to go to recovery mode. Then, it's likely that the operating system has unexpectedly stalled. As long as the device's battery is functional, the solution here is to force the device to reboot. Press volume up then rapidly release it. Press volume down then rapidly release it. Press and hold power and the device will shut down. When you see the Apple logo pop up, let go of the power button. After your iPhone 15 starts up, plug it into the computer and press a combination of button presses to see if it enters recovery mode this time. Step 3. Switch the cable. A damaged cable could prevent the device from contacting the computer and the program. As a result, your iPhone 15 won't go into recovery mode. If you observe any fraying or cracks in the cable, attempt to use a different cord that you know works well. Besides, make sure to use either an Apple's genuine cable or a MFI certified cord. Then, test them by booting your iPhone 15 into recovery mode again to see if it works. Step 4. Switch the program or computer. If changing the cable doesn't resolve the issue, inspect the computer and the program in use. Make sure both of them are up to date. Meanwhile, you can experiment with different programs. For instance, if you can't enter recovery mode on iPhone 15 using iTunes, try Apple Devices, or switch from a PC to a Mac for applying Finder, and vice versa. Then, repeat the steps and see if the restore screen appears and your iPhone 15 goes into recovery mode. Step 5. Try DFU mode or contact support. If your iPhone 15 still keeps skipping over the recovery mode then goes back to the Apple logo and restarts instead, you can explore other ways to resolve your issue. One option is to boot your device into DFU mode. However, be cautious, as there is no official support documentation for this method, which means it carries the risk of potentially damaging your device. For further assistance on iPhone 15 not going into recovery mode issues, reach out to Apple support and speak to customer care directly to check on your options. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 15 that won't go into recovery mode. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.